Good morning, children. Welcome to the EVS class. I hope you are healthy and happy at home. Children, all of you must have watched previous videos. Now, let's move ahead. We are learning the very important chapter, that is the story of Amrita. We have seen summary. I know that you must have gone through and revised the summary very properly. For today, let us get started. Here you will see map, the map of India. Different places, states are shown in the map. In this chapter, you know the village. What is its name? Yes, that is Khejadli. And where is it located? You know that, near Jodhpur in Rajasthan. So students, let's go to the Rajasthan. Here we reached in the Rajasthan. Now find where is Jodhpur located. Yes, I think you have found it. Here is Jodhpur shown very clearly. See here, name of the village is also shown, that is there, Khejadli. In this slide you can see it very clearly. There is village, that name is Khejadli village. Students, before going to the chapter, we will see what is map and globe. Yes, here you can see what is map. Map is a rough sketch of place. Map is a rough sketch of place. You can see easily. In this map, Rajasthan is shown very clearly. Okay, now move ahead. Here is globe. Globe is a round object with a map of world on it. Children, you can see that globe is round object and there is map of world. Now, see here. Let us come back to the chapter. Watch this picture very carefully. You will find very important points. Here is importance of trees. Now listen carefully and watch. Here I am going to read this. Trees give us medicine which can cure us when we are sick. Trees protect the soil from erosion and landslide. Trees give fruits. Trees take in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen, which is necessary and important for life. Fifth point is trees provide shade and keeps the temperature cool. Trees have a big role in bringing rain. Without trees, the climate would be drier and hotter. The last point is trees are home to trees are home to different birds and insects. Students, in this way we have seen very important points and importance of trees. Now go to next slide, that is benefits of natural things. Children, many of you like to have junk foods like pizza and other foods. But now tell me, which one will make you really healthy? Junk food or natural food? Yes, your answer is natural food. Being healthy in real way, we need to have natural food. You can see in the picture there are many fruits. Now tell me, which one is your favorite fruit? Yes, everyone has different answer. See here. Let's move ahead. You can see there are many leaves. Children, wherever you live, you must have observed different trees and their leaves. Each and every tree is unique and their leaves also are different. Now see this tree. Which is that? That is Khejuri tree. Now observe it carefully. See its trunk, its branches, and its leaves. Everything is different from other trees. Here we will come to know that Khejadli village. This is a village in Rajasthan. We have earlier seen. Let's read this line. In this Khejadli village, animals and birds roam freely without any fear. Means there is no one who will harm the animals and trees because the people in the village love animals and birds. So animals and birds roam there very freely. You can see here are some trees of Khejadi. You will see there are 3 points. We are going to read that. Khejadi tree require not much water. They grow in desert areas. Second point is it has medicinal value. Third is they use this fruit for eating purpose. Now students, this is very important for us. In the next slide you will see here is a story of Amrita. Now listen carefully. It's a real story. Almost 300 years ago, a girl, Amrita, who lived in a village called Khejadli. This was small village near Jodhpur in Rajasthan. This name Khejadli was given because there were many Khejadi trees. People used to take great care of those trees. They always remained very careful about the trees and also used to remember what their elders used to tell them. Their elders used to tell them, अगर पेड़ हैं तो हम हैं. Plants and animals can survive without us, but we cannot survive without them. So children, in this way, Amrita also loved trees very much. Actually, trees were friends for her. She used to hug them, greet them early in the morning, and used to thank them from the heart. Like Amrita, other children also had their special trees and they were their friends. Then time went by. She was grown up. One day she saw there were some strangers. Strangers means unknown persons. There were some strangers in village with access. Those were sent by the order of king. The wood was needed for building king's palace. When she came to know that what is their intention, their work, she was shocked. As the men were about to cut the tree, she put her arms around the tree and hugged it firmly. Men threatened her, but she didn't move at all. But king's men also had to follow the king's orders. On seeing this, Amrita's daughters and hundreds of villagers came and hugged the trees to save them from being cut. But children, Amrita and many villagers died to save the trees. When king came to know that, he could not believe that people gave up their lives to save trees. King learned about villagers' respect for trees and animals. This affected king greatly and ordered that then on no tree would be cut, no animal would be harmed in that area. Children, even today, almost 300 years later, the people of this area called Bishnoi continue to protect plants and animals, and in this way this village is protected village. So children, This was the story of Amrita. I hope you have understood it properly. If you have any problem, you can watch it again to clear your doubts. So students, see you in next video. Thank you.